With the brand name directly referring to this part of the vehicle, we had to come up with the great tailgate table. And we did. This is Stefano from Tailgate Gear, and here is what we packed into this light, sturdy, and beautiful piece of gear. As for all of our products, we love to work with aluminum. In this case, black powder coated to keep it light to a weight of approximately 9 kilograms. We also install a bamboo tray, can be opened left and right, and provides additional working space. When closed, the table offers you plenty of options to mount your gear. A mullet panel in the front and airline tracks on top. Tons more features and hacks when the table is open. These round cutouts are designed to keep flasks and bottles from sliding. The holes here can be used to run a small rope and mount a roll of paper when you set up camp. The little hooks can be used to hang a small towel and a magnet bar to keep knives and other metal objects in reach. And finally, to prevent the rattling sound when driving, the table stays closed with 5 magnets. The tailgate table comes pre-drilled to be mounted on several vehicles, and more to come. We also include a universal kit to fit other 4x4 vehicles with the swing door. Do you want to get your name lasered on it? We can do that too. Visit tailgategear.eu to learn more about the tailgate table and get yourself this great piece of gear.